Alright guys, so on my other TikTok account, which is mainly going to focus on flat Earth, I posted a challenge. I asked, can anyone help me debunk the globe or prove Earth is flat? And let's go through the responses. So I tagged 35 different flat earthers here, and these are the results. So Accolade said, watch a boat disappear and then zoom in on it, proving the horizon isn't a physical edge. Okay, classic. The zoom proves no curve claim. But we know, and Accolade you know too, that boat existed at that place the whole time, and zooming in only made you resolve more of it in terms of angular resolution or angular size. It didn't pull anything over the curve. You can test that yourself and prove it. Down here, we have Man Down 800. He said, use a level and measure horizontal and plumb positions and then talk numbers. All right, this one is at least technical, but what numbers? What are we talking about? How does this prove flat Earth? It's not really clear. And Flat Earth Geographer has the best one, the force the line test, as per Brian Mullen's idea. It's a little vague, but if you look it up, it's basically building two lines, one following the curve of the Earth and one is a straight line. But engineering-wise, I'm pretty sure that's going to be a really hard feat, strictly because you're working with limitations like trying to keep things level in these small gaps. So his idea was use a lot of money and do something that's probably not going to work out. Those three at least were mildly helpful. Now we have the ones that were zero help. We have Reluctantly Human here. Earth is mostly water but not carbonated, therefore flat. So I guess that means a soda bottle is a globe because it's carbonated. So by this logic, LaCroix debunks flat Earth. Sea level here. Sit on two sticks and you'll see the horizon is eye level. Right, because sitting on sticks is the ultimate science experiment. But that's the best sea levels ever brought to the table. Dirt Cousin has good tests for the Earth. Stop eating junk food for 6 months, then I'll explain. So yeah, we have the you're too brainwashed to understand excuse. Flat Truth, who's not a doctor, and I honestly think you could take him to space and he would still deny, says, just get water to stick to a spinning ball moving at 5 constant speeds through space and time. I love how some people are so dumb that they think that a tennis ball has the same mass as the whole globe, and they claim to understand our model better than we do. How weird. We've got Man Down coming in with another one. Learn about circumnavigation and tell me how the circumnavigating north and south. We can and we have done this. It's called polar circumnavigation. I actually put out a video about this already because apparently Chewie is just as daft as you are. And then Man Down coming in with a third one. This is my favorite because the is a polar bearer waiting on you to circumnavigate. Polar bearer, what does that even mean? And do they hand out medals for poor writing at the Flat Smack Academy? And then we got the ones who didn't even try anything except for the defense strategy. We got Papa up here. You are beyond help, sir. So no proof, just insults. That's cool. So we got Foil Crown Princess, and we all know and love her, who says, you should know the answers by now. Stop listening to other people. Okay, so I ask for proof, and I get told to stop asking. We got Ron here, healer of no one. Flat is just a descriptive term. Y'all claim shape, prove it. So instead of giving me evidence, I'm just supposed to disprove my own position. That's not how the debate works, Ron. Andy came in again. You must prove you're on a globe because it's your positive claim. Your own science says you can't prove it. It's only an idea, thought, and illusion. So now science is just an illusion. Wild take. So after all of this, nobody gave me anything on how to prove Earth is flat or debunk the globe. The closest I got was the boat zoom test mentioned and a leveling technique, but nothing that actually helps prove flat or debunk the globe. But I'm not giving up on this yet. I just want to know, Flat Earthers, is there anything we can do to prove to ourselves that Earth is flat? What experiments, what tests, what methods can we try? All that fun stuff. If Earth is truly flat, then there has to be something I can do. So let's figure this out. Tell me, how do we debunk the globe or prove Earth is flat?